Oh, fuck it.
He said fuck it.
He said fuck it. Get your purse. He's making fun of sexual people.
I want to give Mitch that one. That was actually good.
Come on, 611, hurry up. Oh my gosh.
Cameron, shut up.
Actually get that what I said on the video.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Well, this one doesn't need to go on YouTube.
Too bad.
Too bad.
You don't tell me what to upload. Shut up! I'll put my foot in your backside.
Damn! He's like, you don't tell me what to upload. You're not my dad. No, you're not. Lucas, is Cameron your bitch?
I don't think so.
Give it to me, you bird.
There we go. Here she comes.
Sweet motherfucker. Ew.
Oh, good. There's no line of cars for quite a little ways. So
Why should there be no dash 8 on the front?
There is still a dash 8 on the front.
Dash 9.
Oh, the thing is doing.
Trash 8, trash 9, same piece of junk.
Damn, they're going like 2 miles an hour.
They're crawling.
Oh man, now there's a whole line of cars coming.
Rainbow crawling, I wouldn't say worry. They're going like... I think I could run faster than this train.
You probably could. Dude, I'm willing to bet you that Dash 9's just like trying to struggle to pull it. Like the fucking... Wait a minute, unless it's got a stop signal here at Stonewall, which it doesn't. It shouldn't.
Check ECS.
No, it shouldn't. Like, I just checked it earlier. It's got the clear all the way to Waynesboro.
Oh, Dominic.
Listen.